Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to transfer USDT from Coinbase to Crypto.com in 2025, you're in the right place. This full guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it quickly and securely. Whether you're diversifying your crypto holdings or just managing your assets, transferring USDT is a smart move in the evolving crypto world. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need active accounts on both Coinbase and Crypto.com, with some USDT in your Coinbase wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. USDT is often on Ethereum or Tron, so confirm that in advance to avoid any issues. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head to your dashboard, find your USDT balance, and click on it to access your wallet options. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Select the Send or Withdraw option for USDT. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. But hold on, first, switch over to Crypto.com. On Crypto.com, log in, go to your wallet section, select USDT, and copy your wallet address. Make sure it's the right network to match what Coinbase uses. Back to Coinbase. Paste the Crypto.com wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and review any fees displayed. They can vary based on network congestion. Step 3. Hit Confirm or Send after double-checking everything. This is crucial because crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key to avoiding losses. Step 4. Once sent, keep an eye on the transaction. You can track it using the transaction ID on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan if it's on Ethereum. Head back to Crypto.com and refresh your wallet to see the USDT arrive. It might take a few minutes to an hour. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security, and never share your wallet addresses publicly. If something goes wrong, check your transaction history immediately. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Coinbase to Crypto.com in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and you'll be a pro in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.